Hello, testing. Today is December 11th, 2009, and as you can see, we had a snowstorm a few days ago. This is quite typical for Montreal, early December. It's when we usually get our first true winter dump. And as you can see, it's now winter, true winter. Don't believe all this stuff about official winter beginning on December 21st. In Montreal, winter begins when we have our first heavy dump of snow, and this type of snow will stay until April. So as you can see, looking from the front, you don't see any changes since last Saturday, which is when I did my last video. Most of the work was done indoors. They poured the concrete floor slab, and they've started doing the studs around the perimeter wall, because the wall is insulated from the inside with 3.5 inches of sprayed on polyurethane foam. So the one thing that has been done, and we'll be able to take a look later once this truck moves, is the housing around the stairs that go down to the basement from outdoors has been built, but there's no door yet, so it's basically there's a piece of screwed in plywood. So I'm hoping to be able to get down and take a look. I know that my door has been delivered. It's now inside the house. So far I can't access the basement easily because the stairs from the inside haven't been installed yet. I'm supposed to meet my contractor now. He's a bit late, and we're supposed to discuss reinforcing of the floor opening around the basement stairs. So tomorrow's Saturday. Hopefully I'll be able to come and make a more interesting video. Bye.